Possessive case.
The possessive case of a noun, pronoun, is generally formed by adding a to the noun, pronoun.
Note the following 5 rules concerning the possessive case. Rule 1. A one-syllable noun followed by the sign of the possessive obeys the ordinary rule of not changing tone.
Chheh.
Rule 2. The last syllable of a noun of 2 or more syllables preceding the sign of the possessive
a
does not change tone. This is also according to the general rule.
老師的冊
Rule 3. A pronoun preceding the sign of the possessive
a
does change tone.
外籍
Rule 4. When the noun modified by the possessive is not stated but understood, the
a
does not change tone.
這是我的，迄毋是咱的，是伊的。我買用你的，好無？
Rule 5. My husband, my wife, your teacher, your minister, etc. To modify the words husband, wife, a possessive pronoun does not require
a
but the plural form of the pronoun is used, even when the possessing person is singular.
阮先生姓王，阮太太姓紅，恁太太買去無？
Note 1. The same rule, plural form used as singular, holds for a possessive pronoun used with the title of an occupation.
阮老師，恁老師
Note 2. When the possessing persons are plural, the possessive
a
is frequently used, but not necessarily.
因的老師，因老師。Note 3. In Notes 1 and 2, the terms 老師 can also be plural. 恁老師 can also mean you teachers.